Everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to personalize or streamline your Facebook presence, changing your business page URL is a crucial step. Today I'm going to show you how to exactly do that. Let's dive in. First things first, your Facebook page URL, also known as your username, is the web address that gets people directly to your Facebook page. It usually looks something like facebook.com/ your business name. Changing this URL can make your page easier to find and much more memorable. Ideal if you've rebranded, changed your business name, or just want a cleaner, snappier URL. Before we jump into changing your URL, let's talk about eligibility. To change your page's username, you must be an admin of the page. Your page also needs to have at least 25 likes, and there should be no previous recent changes to the username. Keep in mind, usernames are on a first come, first served basis, so you might need a few options in case your first choice is taken. Alright, let's get to the actual steps. Follow along, and you'll have a new URL in no time. Open Facebook and go to your business page. Remember, you must be logged in as an admin. Now tap on your Facebook page. Tap on edit public details. Here you can edit your next to your username. Here you'll enter your new username. Remember, it should be closely related to your business name to maintain consistency and brand recognition. Type in your desired username. Facebook will automatically let you know if it's available. If it's not, try a variation until you find an available one. Once you find an available username and are happy with it, click Create Username. And that's it. Once you've clicked Create Username, Facebook will update your page URL. Remember, changing your username also changes the direct link to your page, so make sure to update any links on your website, business cards, or promotional materials. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Facebook business page URL. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for more tutorials like this one.